Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on a ZTE Blade V70 Max. Okay, so let's begin. So I have just downloaded my WhatsApp to show you the whole process. And also, if you don't know how to create such a backup, also on our channel there's a video when we are showing you the whole process how to create a backup. Alright, so once it's done, simply let's open up our WhatsApp. In here, select your language, then click on agree and continue. You can click on allow to send the notifications. In here, select your phone number. Okay, and once you have verified that, in here, click on continue. You can click on allow to give access to the contacts and also to the music and audio. And same thing with the videos and photos. Alright, and now as you can see we have this option to restore our chats. You can see that I made my last backup 6 minutes ago. Below we have the size and the account on which it was made. Also remember that you need to be logged into the same Google account on your phone. Like that, which is right in here. So you need to be logged into the same account on which you made the backup. Otherwise, you won't be able to restore the chats. So have that in mind. Okay, now all we need to do is to click on restore. And remember, if you don't do this now, you won't be able to restore the chats in the future. Okay, so now let's wait until it's finished. Okay, as you can see, 13 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. Okay, so now let's simply click on next. In the profile info, simply you can type your name. And also if you are interested, you can select the profile photo by clicking this green plus button. Okay, and now as you can see, all of the messages, including the photo and the video, has been successfully restored. Also, I'll play that video to show you that it works. Alright. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.